Today, I'll show you how to cash out money from Phemex. Before you start, make sure your Phemex account is verified. Phemex says KYC verification is required for fiat withdrawals, so you may need to complete identity verification before sending money to your bank account. First, log in to your Phemex account. Go to Assets, then open your Fiat account. Now choose Fiat Withdraw. Select the fiat currency you want to withdraw, such as dollars, euros, or another supported currency. Next, enter the amount you want to cash out. Choose your withdrawal method. For bank withdrawals, select wire transfer or the available bank transfer option shown in your account. Now select a linked bank account. If you have not added one yet, click Add Bank Account and enter the required banking details. Make sure the bank account belongs to you and matches your verified Phemex account information. After that, review the withdrawal details carefully. Check the amount, bank account, fees, payment method, and any notes shown on the screen. If everything looks correct, click Confirm or Withdraw. Phemex may ask you to complete security verification, such as email confirmation, two-factor authentication, or another safety check. Once confirmed, the withdrawal request will be submitted. Phemex says fiat withdrawals to a bank account are generally credited within 1 to 2 working days, depending on the payment method and currency. You can track the status from your Phemex transaction history. And that's it. You've successfully cashed out money from Phemex to your bank account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.